Hi, now we are going to see ninth standard mathematics test 1 answers. The topics covered here are mean, median, identities and rational numbers. The marks obtained by 10 students in a mathematics test are as follows. The marks are given here. You will have to find out the mean of their marks. The formula is total marks scored by the students divided by number of students. The number of students is number of marks given here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 is the denominator. The total marks is, add all the marks, you get 635. So therefore mean is 635 by 10 is 63.5. Question number 2, the heights in centimeter of 11 players are given here. Find the mean height of the players. The formula is the same. Players, number of players is 11. The total height, we'll have to sum it up. So total height is 1870. Number of players is 11. So mean is equal to 1870 divided by 11 is 170 centimeter. So median is equal to height. Median is the height corresponding to the midpoint. So n is equal to 11 means, so n plus 1 by 2, that is 6. Therefore corresponding to 6 it is 170. Therefore median also is 170 here. The ages in years of 12 participants in a competition are 18, 21, 20, 25, 23, 22, 30, 28, 27, 19, 24 and 26. There are 12 values given here. You have to find out the median. So we have to first of all arrange them in the ascending order. That is what we have done here. Now number of data is 12. Here it is even number. Therefore median is the average of the term corresponding to n by 2 and the term corresponding to n by 2 plus 1. That is n by 2 is 6, 6th term and 7th term 23 and 24. Average of 23 and 24 is 23.5. The average marks obtained by 25 students in a section A of class are 72 and the average marks of 30 students in section B are 78. Calculate the combined mean marks of all students in section A and section B put together. Here it is a combined mean. So combined mean is total sum of the marks of all groups, that is 25 into 72 for section A and 30 into 78 for group section B. Add these two for the numerator. Denominator is 25 plus 30. 25 in section A, 30 in section B. Therefore 1800 plus 2340 is 4140 divided by 25 plus 30 is 55. That is 75.27 is the combined mean. You can do it yourself. Find the mean and median for the data given here. So the marks range, this is given in the form of a class interval and frequency. Marks range is the class interval, frequency is number of students. So it is given here. So 20 is the class interval here, very important. And we'll have to find out the cumulative frequency, that is obtained by adding the row terms. 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 15 is 28, 28 plus 10 is 38, 38 plus 7 is 45. So the total cumulative frequency, capital N is 45, n by 2 is 45 by 2 is 22.5, comes here in this interval. Less than 28 is 22.5, greater than 30 is 22.5. Therefore, this is the median class interval. So, class width is interval, class interval 20, common. Total number of frequencies, capital N is 45, that is cumulative frequency. N by 2 is 22.5, comes here. Therefore, this is 40 to 60 is the median class. Lower boundary of the median class is 40. And the frequency of median class is 15. And the cumulative frequency before the median class, capital F is 13 here. This is the median class. Before the median class, cumulative frequency is 13. Substitute in the formula L plus n by 2 minus F by F into H. 40 plus 22.5 minus 13 divided by 15 into 20. Substitute, you get, simplify, you get 52.67 as the median. We will find the average now. The mean marks is total marks divided by total frequency. So what we will have to do is the mean of the interval, that is 10 into frequency of that interval, that is 10 into 5, plus similarly the midpoint of the interval is 30 here, 30 into 8, plus midpoint of 40 to 60 is 50 into the corresponding frequency is 15, plus midpoint of 60 to 80 is 70 into the frequency is 10, plus midpoint of 80 to 100 is 90 into frequency is 7. So multiply and add, you will get 2370 by 45, same as the median. So mean and median are same here. Therefore, it is normally distributed. Simplify the expression 3x plus 4 whole squared minus 2x minus 5 whole squared. So this is identity question. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a is 3x plus 4, b is 2x minus 5. So a plus b is 3x plus 4 plus 2x minus 5 is 5x minus 1. A minus b is 3x plus 4 minus 2x minus of minus 5 is plus 5, that is x plus 9. Substitute and simplify, you get 5x squared plus 44x minus 9 as the answer. If x plus y plus z is equal to 9, x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 35. Find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. The identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z given here into x squared plus y squared plus z squared given here minus of xy plus yz plus zx, which we have to find out, for which we will use the identity x plus y plus z whole squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Therefore, xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1 by 2 times 81 minus 35. 81 is 9 squared and x squared plus y squared plus z squared is 35. Substitute, you get 46 by 2 is 23. And substitute in this, you get x plus y plus z is 9, x squared plus y squared plus z squared is 35, minus of xy plus yz plus zx is 23. Substitute, simplify, you get 108 as the answer. If a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, find a plus b whole squared minus a minus b whole squared. Use the identity a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. The problem here is, here a plus b is a and a minus b is b. So a plus b plus a minus b into a plus b minus of a minus b, that is a plus b minus a plus b, that is 2a plus 2a into 2b, that is 4 times ab, 4 times 3 into 2 is 4 times 6, 24 is the answer. Please do it yourself, go through slowly and do it. If x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, find the value of x cube plus y cube. Identity is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. Substitute, x plus y is 7, x squared is 25, y squared is 4, minus of xy is 10. Therefore, answer is 133. A rational number between 10 and 11 is, it should be greater than 10 because 21 by 2 is greater than 10. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. The rest are all less than 10 or greater than 11. 7 by 6 in decimal form is, please note, 7 by 6 is 1.16666. 6 is repeated many times, therefore 1.16 bar is the answer. Right? 6 goes on repeated. Therefore 1.16 bar is the answer. On rationalizing the denominator of 1 by root 7 minus root 2, we get, please note, 1 by root 7 minus root 2 into root 7 plus root 2 divided by root 7 minus root 2 into root 7 plus root 2 is a plus b into a minus b form. So therefore, root 7 squared is 7, root 2 squared is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. In 2 pi x squared by 3 minus 10x plus 7, the coefficient of x squared is 2 pi by 3. Obvious. The multiplying factor for x squared is 2 pi by 3. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. The 0 of px 5x minus 3 is, that is polynomial x. So, polynomial x should be 0, 5x minus 3 should be 0. Substituting, you get x is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, option B is the answer. The last question, if x minus 4 is a factor of x cube minus x squared minus ax minus 4, then the value of A is, options are given here. X minus 4 is a factor, therefore P4 should be equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 4 in the polynomial. 4 cube minus 4 squared minus 4a minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to, rearrange, you get 1 by 4 times. 4 cube is 64, minus 4 squared is 16, minus 4 is minus 4. Therefore, this is 44 by 4 is 11. So, A is equal to 11 is the answer. That completes the answer. Thank you very much. Thank you.